How to heal in Sausage Man. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily heal your character in Sausage Man. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open the Sausage Man game on your device and start a battle. Now, once your battle has started, go ahead and land in somewhere where you can find lots of necessary equipments. I'm just gonna jump into that building over there. Let's just jump. Wait until you land. As soon as you land in, go ahead and find items such as these energy drinks, medikits. Just collect the weapons and necessities as soon as you land in. You can go inside the buildings to find more medicines or healers or energy drink. As soon as you feel like your energy or your life is dropping, all you need to do is to go to the bottom left and look for this energy or the bandage kind of an icon. Just tap on it and this will help you heal your HP and boost your energy as well. Sometimes you might be attacked without you knowing from any corner. So in that case, having a healer or energy drink or anything that heals will help you recover your life faster. So that's it. Don't forget to collect those energy drinks or healing items. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.